Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to All Baking and Cooking ABC. Today we are back with the very famous Pakistani sweet dish, that is Gulab Jamun. So here I'm using a shortcut method of making khoya or milk solids at home. First of all, we'll take one and a half cup of milk powder in a frying pan. Then we will add half cup of liquid milk and 1/4 cup of ghee or shortening, and we will mix them until they become a good mixture. So once the mixture is ready, then we will turn on the flame and keep the flame as low as possible because we don't want our mixture to get burn or change its color. We will cook it just for like 2 minutes till it is the mixture is put together and it has left the sides of the pan. Our mixture is ready, so we will put it aside. So now we are making sugar syrup, in which we will dip the dough balls. So to make sugar syrup, I have taken 3 cups of sugar and I'm adding 1.5 cup of water, and we will cook it on again very low flame until all the sugar is melted down. Once the sugar is melted down, we will turn off the flame. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. This powder will help dough balls in puffing up, so we will knead it very well. Once it is all put together, I will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. We will knead the dough for 10 minutes until all the dough is soft and fluffy. So now we will make dough balls. To make dough balls, just add a little bit of oil on your hand so that it doesn't get sick to your hands, and make at least 16 to 18 small balls with this mixture. We will keep the size of dough balls small because when we will fry them, the size will become large. So here is a technique. You can roll the dough mixture between your palms so there are no cracks in between. Put the oil in a deep wok on a very low flame, and you have to be careful that temperature is so low that even you can dip your finger in. It should be just warm, not hot. Add in the dough balls in small batches and be very careful, be very gentle while touching them because they are very soft and they can immediately break if you touch them hard. So once like they are golden pink, take them out. Now I'm going to add them into the sugar syrup which we prepared already. Now we will leave them here for at least 2 to 3 hours so that they soak the sugar syrup. When you will add the dough balls, the fried dough balls into the sugar syrup, they will float on the surface, but once they will absorb the syrup, they will settle down into the bottom of the pan. So that's the indicator that our gulab jamuns are ready to serve. You can garnish them